Right, so today I'm going to make a round loaf, bake a round loaf in a Dutch oven, which is a cast iron pot essentially. Ingredients I'm going to use: Allinson's bread flour, strong white that is, 1 sachet of Allinson's easy bake yeast, white table salt, some measuring cups, some measuring spoons, a whisk, and whatever that is. So what I'm going to do is fill 3 measuring cups full of this flour. Now I'm sure there's probably quicker ways of doing this, but I just want to show you that, believe me, I can't cook, but I have discovered how to bake decent loaf of bread, so I'm doing it the way I find it easiest. So I'm going to do 3 of these. As you can see, I'm not being that precise with it. I could dip the cup in there, I suppose, but I find this the easiest way to do it. So 3 of them, and then we have 1 whole sachet of this. Just pour it in, and then get my 1 teaspoon full of salt, just normal table salt. Put that in there. Right, so what we do, once all those 3 ingredients are in the bowl, just mix it all in with this whisk, so it all gets mixed in. So then after that, so I'll set the whisk aside. Just make a opening in the middle there, and in there just pour 1.5 cups of just normal cold water. Right, so I've poured that water in there. Now just mix it all up. This can start looking quite dry, but just leave it as it is. Don't add extra water in. I have done before and it's not turned out as well, so just roll it round. Till it's all one. Right, so what we've done, we've mixed that up now, so sprinkle a bit of this flour that you're using for the bread mix, just sprinkle it on the table. I'll get the bowl out of the way so you can see what I've done there. Set that aside, and then just tip this out. So you've got your dough there. Okay, so set your bowl aside and then just knead it all together. Now this process that I'm doing here now, this must be done for 15 minutes at least. I tend to do 15, I've done 20, I've done 10. This seems to work for me, so just knead it like that. I won't let you watch me doing this for 15 minutes, but I'll leave it filming enough so you can see what I'm doing. If you start sticking to your hands, which it may well do, just pour some more flour in. Put some on your hands, put some on the table, doesn't really matter. So just keep doing this now. 15 minutes. Right, so I've just come to the end of the 15 minutes, just constantly doing this. Right, so just tuck it under into a relatively smooth ball like that. Set that aside. Get your bowl. Sprinkle a bit of flour in the bottom of that so that doesn't stick when you put that in there. So put your dough in your bowl. Then you put cling film over the top of it. Really old stuff this is. Do like that. I've just got to say, by the way, forgive my black fingernail. I'm in a building trade and I was on a scaffold and I've dropped the thing on it on the end of my finger. So that's all that is. So you put that on there like that and you leave that for 1 hour. Okay, just set that aside.